everyone, students. Today I will take one important class on fractions. So, first of all, you have to know what is the meaning of fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole number. See one example, 1 by 2. This 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Numerator মানে উপরের সংখ্যাটা আর denominator মানে নিচের সংখ্যাটা. See here 2 by 3. What is this 2? 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. I think it is clear to everyone. সবাই বুঝেছো?